Kia ora, Skinny Fishbone here again with this song's trilogy on the mask. Sometimes people wear masks so long they forget when they first put them on. A smile, a joke, a strong face for the world, trying to survive, trying to fit in, trying not to let people see the hurt, and after a while, the mask starts feeling heavier than the truth underneath it. The mask. People and their mask. You smile easy, say you're alright. Wear the face people expect, keep the hurt behind your eyes. Just keep on moving, keep talking, but some masks get heavy. Even strong people get tired. Time to heal. And sometimes you wear your mask so long, you stop remembering who you were before the pretending, who you were before the performance, who you were before the world told you who you needed to become. You wear it so long, you forget what your real face feels like. You become what people need, what people expect. And somewhere under all that noise, you stop hearing your own voice. But eventually, something inside you gets tired of carrying, tired of hiding, tired of trying to hold everything together, and maybe healing doesn't begin when you become perfect. Maybe healing begins when you finally stop pretending. After all those years of the layers and layers you've hidden behind and built, it's time to peel it all away and reveal the true you, the beautiful you. One day you get tired of pretending, tired of carrying, and slowly you take off the mask. Not to be perfect, just to be real. And maybe, just maybe, that's enough. So cool to see the who in you. I love you. Maybe the real you was never lost. Maybe it was just hidden underneath, and everything you thought you had to be was there as well. And maybe the people who truly matter We're never asking for perfection anyway. Just somebody real. That's the healing. Skinny Fishbone. Peace, love and harmony to you.